Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today guys is Sunday roast. We have something very special. We have a joint of beef. We're going to make a beef brisket, roast brisket. Is something absolutely delicious. Of course we need brisket or roll like this or flat, nothing change. I like roll. And some vegetable, we need 1 red onion, white onion, garlic, leek, celery, parsnip, couple carrots, glass of wine, salt and pepper. Very nice and big casserole, or in Italian is casseruola. And first thing to do, turn on the oven, gonna be nice and warm. I put 140 degrees. This is gonna cook around 140 degrees around 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Okay, gonna be something delicious. This is gonna melt. This is absolutely stunning. I hope gonna be nice because gonna be my lunch. Anyway, we start just like this. We put some olive oil on the top, season it very well. Salt and pepper. We're gonna brown it first. We're gonna seal it first, and around 3-4 minutes per side. And it's good thing to put some oil in the casserole like this. And the same time we season it, we start make ready this oil because this casserole take a little bit more time. Salt and pepper, massage everywhere. And now, I forgot to say before, I like, this is not obligatory, some mustard on, if you like, massage. Oh, look at that, perfettissimo. Now, this is the part, we wait another second, when the oil is ready, and I'll show you the next step. It's around minutes, okay? Here is ready. Now this going inside all brisket, so from all the sides, from here as well, couple minutes per side. And see you when oh no, wait. In the same time when the brisket starts, you have to chop it, the garlic, just is leave like that. The onion just in four. Big joint, no small because we're gonna cook long. Carrot and parsley like this. Celery joint like this. All big joint, okay? Because when it's everything brown, we're gonna add some wine and vegetable, okay? See when it's ready. Okay guys, almost it's all brown. Now it's time to put inside all vegetables. Just put in like this. And the garlic. I like a couple of cloves. Okay, I put inside like this. And red wine. Leave him there little bit. When the wine is absorbed, we're gonna move it, already the smell, we're gonna move it in the oven, okay? See you later. Okay guys, the smell is already something, you don't believe. Look, the wine is almost absorbed, the vegetable, in this is 20 minutes, is like that. Now, we going to move this from here in the oven. Okay? The oven is the first thing I put on. Now we're gonna add some water or stock if you like. 1 glass, maybe 2, maybe 2. And something like this. You see? Gonna be covered. Now lid on in my beautiful pot, and we're going in the oven. That's gonna be in the oven around 3.5 hours. And at the same time, I want to make this brisket with some roast vegetable and potato. But you can do everything, anything you like. See you when the brisket is ready. I'm gonna be more precise about the time, okay? Ciao! Guys, 3.5 hours done. And we check it, okay? Very careful. Oh, it's very hot. The last 20 minutes I put 180 degrees, okay? And now, very careful. Wow, look there, guys. Whoa, what is that? Look there. Oh, meraviglioso. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now, guys, this, wow, it's just, look at that. I'm excited. But this gonna rest at least with lid on like half an hour, and this is the time, because I like this with some roast potato and roast vegetable, to put this in. In half an hour this is gonna be ready and we're going to eat. See you in half an hour. Okay guys, vegetable ready. Oh, look there. Fantastic. Look at that. Vegetable and potatoes. We have our beautiful brisket. Look there. Wow, something very... Look at that, guys. Look at that. Dark and oh. It's absolute, the smell fell in the pot. Look like that. Oh, mamma mia. I cannot wait for this. Guys, my little man is here. I want to say, always, if you can, share this video with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website www. It's in Italian www, but our website cookwithanitalian.com, and the brisket, roast brisket with vegetable is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!